Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of SQL tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining ranking window functions. In the previous video, I explained what is window functions and also aggregate window functions. I recommend you to watch the video and come to this video. And let's jump to the today's topic, ranking window functions. So in the previous tutorial, I explained what are window functions and their different types. So this is the second type of window functions, which is ranking. So the name itself it is saying ranking means this user to assign ranking. User to assign ranking. So it assigns ranking to the rows in the result set or a result set of a query. So ranking window functions is concerned. There are mainly three types of ranking window functions, which is rank, base rank, and row number. Let's understand what is these different types of window functions. First, let's see with the rank. So let's first see with the example and understand the definition of rank. And first let's query the, let's use that for this ranking window functions. Let's use the table employees. I have employee 2 in my database. I'm querying that. So I have the employee ID, employee name, and their salary. So my requirement is I want to assign ranks to the rows, ranks to these employees based on their salary. So we know that for the window functions, we have to follow specific syntax. So I want all these columns, and also I want to assign ranking. So I want to assign ranking for every row. So I have to create new column. For creating new column, I'm using comma. Means the select star means everything. Star means all the columns, comma, and the ranking function. First index would be rank and over clause. In the over clause, we have to specify partition by and order by clause. So partition by is not mandatory. Based on our requirement, we can use it. Now for this, I don't want to use partition by. I don't want to divide the rows into partitions. I just want to assign ranks based on their employee salary. So I just use order by to sort the data based on their based on this data. The ranking happens based on I'm giving salary. I'm giving descending order. So I want to give ranking based on the salary in descending order. So who are the employees who have highest salary will get top ranks. Let's give a alias name to make it readable. For every employee, assigning the ranks. For first employee, which is Mike, he has the highest salary, which is 50,000. So he will get rank 1. And the next, this John and Neeraj have same highest salary, which is 25,000, 25,000. So the rank function assigns the same rank into these two rows. But for the next ranking, for the next row, which is King, it assigning the fourth rank. So here rank got two duplicates. So it assigns the same rank. But when we go to the next ranking or next employee, which has different salary, we're skipping the rank. What is skipping? It's skipping the third rank. Why it is skipping third rank? Because these two records has the same highest salary, which is 25,000. So for these two employees, is considering it as a second highest salary. I'm skipping the third highest salary. So by default, this is the third highest salary based on our assumptions. But rank only gives the same ranking to these two employees, but skip the third ranking. So now we have don't have the employee with third highest salary. We have only employees with first, second, and the fourth. Three is skipped. So this is the functionality of rank function. So rank assigns, rank ranks the rows, the result set. This is the result set. For the result set, we are assigning rank. So what is the meaning? When duplicates, rank got duplicates, assigns the same rank, but skips the next sequential ranking. So we are able to see rank got two duplicate values, which is 25,000. So it assigns the same rank and skipping the next sequential ranking, which is 3. Now it is go to the rank 4. So this is the functionality of rank function. So coming to dense rank, if you understand the difference between these three functions, we can able to easily interpret. Next one is dense rank, right? So for dense rank also, just execute the same query, but we change the function. Instead of rank, I'm giving dense rank. Now see, the same ranking, Mike has same highest salary, which is 5000, so he got rank 1. Coming to John and Neeraj, which are duplicates, who have same salary, got ranks 2 2. Same like rank function, but the fourth record, which is king, the rank is 3. So what we observe that is dense rank not skipping any rank compared to rank which skip the next sequential ranking. Dense rank does not skip any rank. If it has duplicates, it assigns the same ranking and does not skip the next rank, and it gives the next sequential ranking. So if you are able to understand what is the difference between rank and dense rank, you can easily interpret. When we use rank function, skipping the rank 3. But when we use the dense rank function, it's not skipping any rank, it's giving the sequential ranking. That is the dense ranking. Ranks, 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 ranks to the rows. So if it is got duplicates, assigns same rank and does not skip any ranking. Does not skip any ranking. It gives the next sequential ranking. Gives next sequential ranking. This is what dense rank is doing. Coming to row number, let's see the same query. Instead of rank, I'm giving row number. Now see, we are able to see different rankings. So what happening here is Mike has highest salary, which is 50,000, got rank 1, and the John has 25,000, rank 2, and the Neeraj has 25,000, same salary, rank 3, and King has 4, fourth rank. So what we are able to interpret is all the records, all the employees getting different rankings, means unique rankings, no duplicate ranking. That is the functionality of row number. Assigns assigns unique sequential ranking. Assigns unique sequential ranking. Does not skip any ranks. Does not skip any ranks, even duplicates. So that is the row number function. Does not skip any ranking. Assigns always the unique ranking to the rows. So let's summarize what we learned. Rank, else rank. I recommend you to write some queries using this rank, dense rank line, row number, and compare how the results are getting, so you can easily interpret. Coming to rank, rank got twice, it's the next sequential rank. Rank got ties, if rank got ties, skips the next sequential rank. But dense rank does not skip any ranking. Coming to row number, always assigns unique ranks. So these three functions are used to assign the ranks, but their functional is different. If it is how the functional is different based on their how they deal with the duplicate values. So if rank are duplicates, skip the next sequential rank. Doesn't the same rank and skip the next sequential rank. But if the range rank got a duplicates, assigns the same rank, but does not skip any ranking. Coming to row number, it always assigns the unique ranks, regardless of the duplicates. So this is about rank, dense rank, and row number functions. And that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sudhir Analytics. Stay updated with my latest tutorials. And the next tutorial, I'll be explaining while window functions. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.